So if you want to add some lettering to your cross-stitch pattern, there are fonts you can get, kind of like pre-made stitch fonts, but they're a little limited because you can't, there's a lot more to especially fancy fonts than just having each individual letter. So the letters actually change depending on which letters they're joining up with. So here's an example. And there's lots of really great fonts that you can use now. Google have a directory of fonts. So I thought I'd create a little utility. The idea being you can, if you want to have a little message or some text, maybe name of people, whatever, in your cross stitch, you'll be able to choose whatever font you like, do some manipulation with it that you couldn't do if you were just copying individual letters. And also, depending on the size that you have it, the anti-aliasing around each letter will vary. Now obviously not every font is going to work at every size. It starts to become unreadable when it's too small, but if the font's large enough, it works out great. And you can also change the color, which again is difficult to do if you're using just a simple template for fonts. This anti-alias is the font, so it's using different thread colors to give that smoother effect. So if you look at it from a distance, it will actually, the lines look a lot smoother. And you can, as I say, I've added quite a few different font styles on, and you can, so I've shown the sizing. Oops, helps if you let's see, there was a font, I think it's that one, yeah, that's more like it. So you can change the character spacing, and you can put line breaks in. You can add, if you wanted, you could just add multiple text objects and move them around, but if you have it as one object, you can also change the line height between them, and both of these work. And you can also move around, and you can resize, and you can rotate as well. So you'll be able to do an awful lot more than you could if you were just copying things letter by letter. You've got bold and italic. So I'm going to carry on working on this and enhance it, and at the end of the day it'll spit out the lettering you need. At some point we'll probably have this as an option that you can overlay on top of images, so you maybe want the lettering to be kind of like a cutout, like white on the top of a full color image, so that may be an option. But initially we'll probably make this available, and people can just use it for the lettering as they need. Thanks for watching. If you please subscribe to the channel and follow our Facebook page, and keep up to date as we publish new videos and new blog articles. Thanks.